If your Instagram stories are not showing up in 2025, don't panic. Here's the solution. First of all, make sure your Instagram app is updated to the latest version. Only the newest version supports all story features properly. Next, check your internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent stories from loading. Then, go to your device's settings, scroll all the way down and tap on apps. After that, search for Instagram and tap on it. Here, make sure location, background app refresh, and mobile data permissions are all enabled. Also, check if Instagram has storage access so it can load all content properly. After that, go back into Instagram and try refreshing your feed or restarting the app. If storage still doesn't appear, try clearing the app cache. On iPhone, you can do this by uninstalling and reinstalling the app. This refreshes everything. Keep in mind that sometimes Instagram rolls out updates gradually, so certain features, including stories, may not appear in your region immediately. If you still don't see stories, the best option is to wait until the update reaches your account. And that's all. That's how you can fix Instagram stories not showing up quickly and get back to watching all your friends' updates. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more of these videos, and thank you for watching.